Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to get back a deleted list in Trello in 2025. So lists don't have a direct undo button, but there are a couple of smart ways in order to restore them. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Trello.com and then log in into your account. After that, you need to come here inside your board. Now over here, as you can see, I have this cart and these are the lists in it. So if I just delete any of these lists, let's say I want to delete this one. So after clicking on it, if you click over here on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will notice that there is no delete option available. You can archive it. So you can click on the archive option. Now after clicking on the archive option, you will see that it is removed from here. So in order to get it back, simply just come back here on this page, then click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to simply just scroll down and select the option of archived items. Over here, as you can see, this is the list that I have just archived in front of you, and now it is available over here. You can either restore it or you can delete it. So since we want to get it back in our list, simply click on the option of restore. Then it is going to show you like your cart is empty or it will be gone from here too. Now within a few seconds you will notice that now that particular cart or that particular list is available here in your cart. Similarly, if you archive any of the cards, you can also click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Basically, you need to go to the same option and you can also restore any of the board or any of the sections over here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.